Good morning, all. I'm Epstein with your morning flash update. This update is for the morning as we're here now on the 7th of November, 2024, about 8:30 a.m. Central Time, and it's the day after. And with that, after yesterday's reactions, now start expecting some reverse reactions. Give you an example. Gold market up $21, silver up right now 48 cents. Copper market up a whopping 17 cents, making back nearly all that it lost yesterday. Dollar down 60 as you're up in the euro up 50. Now, I'm not looking for a full reversal. Don't get me wrong there. But markets that were bullish and got hit, such as the metals, especially gold, I think they give you a recovery. When we start taking a look at energies, I think there'll be some downward pressure on them as the market now has to worry about tariffs that are coming about, all the calls going into the president-elect now. We're going to see President Biden today make a speech at about 10 o'clock this morning Eastern time about this transition. Bonds and notes getting a little bit of a rally. Many of these markets went down to Bollinger Bands yesterday that got hit, and they're giving you a bounce, especially the metal markets. Very, very big, and especially the dollar, which rallied up and got into a resistance point and backing off today. Now, as we take a look at the grain markets, keep in the back of your mind tomorrow at 11 in the morning, we get the all-important bushels per acre. This will be like a final number. It can be revised very slightly, but this sets off everything. And from there, you do the computations as to where you think the crops will end up in size, where are you, so on and so forth. And, of course, you got to look at the strength of the dollar. How is that impacting the markets? As for today, well, we had the Bank of England come out early this morning, and they cut their interest rate by a quarter point as widely expected. I go into detail in today's written updates from my subscribers. Jobless claims came in at 3,000. They were looking up 4,000, so right in line with everything. Then we got third quarter 2024 non-farm productivity, and it was up 2.2%, a little less than the expectation of 2.5%, and they revised down the second quarter to 2.1 from 2.5%. Third quarter non-farm labor costs were up 1.9%, a bit higher. Still that sticky inflation on labor from the 1.1% expected. And they revised the second quarter up to 2.4% from the initial reading of only up 0.4. So that shows you still have that wage pressure in the market. We're going to get U.S. September wholesale inventories at 9, natural gas storage at 9:30, and at 1 today we get the Federal Reserve coming out with their monetary policy decision, widely expected to be a quarter point cut. Probably no comment. The Fed stays out of politics. I doubt that they'll give you any clue as to what they're thinking about President Trump coming back into the marketplace, and they'll talk more or less about the data and what they see going forward. So if you're looking for a surprise from them, write that off. I don't think that's going to happen in that manner. And I do want to remind you that if you want to get any of our information, it's here. You can get access to my newsletters that I send to my subscribers, Linn's newsletters, price counts, exceptionally important, beyond important, that you can get there. We're going to be adding to this a way that you can get into the seasonal charts that I use. I'll be doing that probably next week, so you can start doing that. We'll start adding things as we get into the beginning of the year, new products, profitable trading strategies, strategies you use in different ways in the market. And when I say profitable, I mean what some traders think are the profitable trading strategies. If we all knew what was profitable, you wouldn't be seeing anybody, right? That's not how it works. And how you get it is you just click the offer right through there. It acts as a cart when you go to the website. At the bottom of the page, you add your name, your email address. If you have a note for us, just do it there, and we'll take it the rest of the way. Again, irapstein.com, free offers. You'll see a cursor at the top here. If you want to click that, it'll take you there. That's where you finish your sign up. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll catch you at the end of the day.